Hey everyone, this is Mr. Irving. This is my first ever unboxing video. Just got out of school, staying late grading papers because teacher life, and I thought to myself, could really treat myself to something. So here I am at the Golden Arches. Yeah, Golden Arches. So here's what I got. My unboxing video of the Travis Scott burger. Excited? I'm excited. So, got the medium fries, just like they promised. So it's great when McDonald's gets your order right, Whole bunch of napkins. Throw those away. It's like the inserts when you get like a new computer or like new tech, like nobody reads those. Just throw this away. I don't know if that means that 1,203 people got orders today. I hope not. That's kind of depressing. It's a lot of orders for McDonald's. All right, you ready? Here it is. Just says quarter pounder on it because why not? Let me do that overhead shot. Yeah, all those tech reviewers love to do. You can tell I'm really into Travis Scott based on the music in the background, right? Just playing that smooth jazz. Yeah, all right, you ready? Ready for this? I'll turn this around. There it is, the quarter pounder. Travis Scott burger, everybody. Let's see what we got here. Literally just like a regular quarter pounder, but it also has bacon on it and some barbecue sauce. That's just so sad. I paid $6 for this. Just gonna go ahead and take a bite, and I'll let you know what I think when we get there. All right, so I took a bite. It just tastes like a McDonald's cheeseburger with barbecue sauce and extra cheese and bacon, which is literally what it is. Thanks, Travis Scott. All right, everyone, thanks for watching my first ever unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subs if you liked it. Thumbs if you loved it. Oh, it's supposed to be the other way around. Whatever. Like and subscribe, whatever. See you in class.